What's going on, guys? Today in this video we are making teriyaki glazed chicken meatballs courtesy of Dinnerly. Guys, this is my first time trying Dinnerly and I feel a little awkward because I normally have my little menu card right here so I can show you guys the menu and show off the easy to follow recipe, but Dinnerly doesn't give you a menu. You have to pull it up on your phone and pull up all the ingredients and everything off your phone with the easy to follow instructions. So that's one thing that's a little different about the service. It is a very affordable service and we're going to see how we like it. If you guys don't know what Dinnerly is, it's a meal delivery service just like all the other ones we've been trying, and it brings you all the ingredients right to your door with an easy to follow recipe on your phone, not in the box. Like Marley Toy, it doesn't pre-sort your ingredients, but I still have my handy dandy home chef bags that I take my bag out and sort it all the day it comes in. And if you want to give Dinnerly a try, down in the description should be a link that should hook you up with a great deal and also help support the channel. As always, guys, if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, hit that sub button, and turn on notifications. That way you get notified when we put out more content just like this. And with that said, guys, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, as always, before we start cooking, let's go over all the ingredients we need. Dinnerly provides almost everything you need, which includes 2 ounces of teriyaki sauce, 1 ounce of panko breadcrumbs, 10 ounces of ground chicken, half a pound of green beans, green onion, you'll need 1 ounce for the recipe, and 5 ounces of jasmine rice. What's not included in the delivery is salt and pepper, cooking oil, garlic, and 1 large egg. And that's everything you need to make this delicious dish. Okay guys, now that we have all the ingredients, let's get cooking. First, let's start off by preheating the oven to 450 degrees and making sure the rack is in the center. Then let's lightly oil a rimmed baking sheet. Let's fill a medium pan with salt water and bring it to a boil over high heat. Once it's boiling, add in rice. Cook for about 12 minutes or until it gets tender. Stir the rice occasionally. Drain the rice in a fine mesh stream. Rinse with cold water and drain well again. Spread the rice out on a paper towel lined plate to dry and cool. While the rice is cooking, we're going to prep the veggies. We're going to finely chop 2 teaspoons of garlic, then we're going to trim the ends from the scallion and thinly slice. After that, we're going to trim the ends from the green beans. And then cut them into 1-inch pieces. Okay, so now we're going to make the meatballs. We're going to start off by separating 1 large egg yolk from the white. Discard the white yolk or save it for later use of your own. In a medium bowl, combine the ground chicken, 1/4 cup of panko, and 2 tablespoons of the scallions, the egg yolk, 1 teaspoon each of chopped garlic and salt, and a few grinds of pepper.
Once mixed, shape into 8 meatballs. It should be about 2 tablespoons each. Transfer to the prepared baking sheet. Okay, so now that we formed the meatballs, now we're gonna bake the meatballs. We're gonna bake those in the oven at 450 degrees on the center rack. This should take about 10 to 12 minutes, and the internal temperature should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While the meatballs are cooking, in a second bowl, medium bowl, whisk together the teriyaki sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, and season with salt and pepper. While the meatballs are cooking, we're gonna fry the rice. Start off by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a large nonstick skillet over high heat. Add in the green beans and cook until tender. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Add in the rice and the remaining scallions and chopped garlic. And add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Cook, pressing down to crisp the rice and toss occasionally until warm throughout. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Season with salt and pepper, and then it's ready to serve. Okay, now this looks good. It's nice and done. We're going to take it off the heat and let it rest. Once the meatballs are done cooking, remove from the oven and place the meatballs in the teriyaki sauce. Spoon the sauce over the meatballs. Okay guys, now that everything's ready, we're gonna plate it up. It should be a simple plating. We're gonna take the rice and spread it all over the plate. Take some meatballs, take 4 meatballs, put it on top of the rice, and drizzle the teriyaki sauce over it. There we go guys, teriyaki glazed chicken meatballs. Looks absolutely delicious.
And there you guys go, that's how you make the teriyaki glazed meatballs, courtesy of Dinnerly. Overall guys, I thought this dish was really good, very tasty. I rated it a 7.5 out of 10. I thought I could use a little more teriyaki sauce, but I thought it was delicious. Overall, so far, very pleased with Dinnerly, and we'll see how other dishes go in the future. And guys, if you want to try out Dinnerly, down in the description there will be a link that will hook you up with a great deal and also help support the channel. If you want to just try this recipe for yourself, also down in the description is all the ingredients and the recipe and how to make it. As always guys, if you like this content, make sure you smash that like button, hit that sub button, and turn on notifications. That way you get notified when we do more content just like this. Guys, don't forget to comment down below what you thought of this dish and if you would make it any other way. As always guys, if you like this content, you'll probably like these videos right here as well. And with that said, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.